Hey, greetings everyone. This is Shubham Pava welcoming you all to our today's video. Today we are going to talk about one of many important topics mentioned in a top-selling book, Leadership Wisdom by Robin Sharma, a world-class author who has sold over 1 million copies, which is surely going to help all of us to become not only a leader, but a visionary leader. Human relationships and connections. We all must have seen and have gone through experiences such as my teammates are not supporting, or vendors are not coordinating, my project is delayed because the employees are not able to cope up, or vigorous quarrels in personal life, and never ending arguments. Speaking for office place, one leader could go into a company and drive up profits by relentlessly driving his or her people. But soon the people will grow tired of the leader and the chain will break because neither has been taken proper care of. See, there are basically four basic pillars for building everlasting human relationship, which are promise keeping, aggressive listening, being consistently compassionate, and finally the most important, truth telling. Now one must say, this seem to be so simple. Can this make any difference in my team? And that's the problem with many lasting leadership truths. They appear to be so simple and so obvious that everyone puts off applying them. Everyone becomes so focused on applying other flashy and trendy strategies that they overlook the most significant ones. Let's say, see every promise you break, no matter how small it is, no matter how insignificant or inconsequential it might be, in personal, social, or professional life, it will steadily, chip by chip, take your character away. For example, you promised that the product would be delivered in a day, but it took 2 or 3 for no significant reason. Or you promised your employee that you would let him go early today for his personal work, but then make him wait because of the all of the sudden appeared work. Or each time when you would say that you would call back and you never do, or miss a meeting you promised you would attend. Believe me, you erode your trust. Each time you don't honor a commitment, you chip away at the bonds between you and the people you have. As a wise man has put it in simple words, every time you avoid doing right, you fuel the habit of doing wrong. I must tell you a story of a leader at a high performing company who came up with a simple yet effective idea to make the process even better. He recruited employees from throughout the organization for the detailed practical suggestions about how to improve the company. The initiative had two immediate benefits. The first one was that the employees felt that they were being listened to, which in turn further enhanced morale and environmental trust. The second benefit was the management received free advice for improving the organization, that too from the people who best knew the weaknesses of the organization. Management then took a few best suggestions and tested them against the solid performance measures such as sales revenue, customer service complaints to see which ones worked. By listening to its people, the company soon became a market leader. Hence, never forget these two pillars of promise keeping and aggressive listening for your complete life and make wonders happen with pride. See you in the next video discussing the other two pillars in short and hope we all start to be a part of the change in ourselves. Until then, stay safe and take care.